If we wanna build the wall, then we can just click this. And if we wanna enter this room, then we can click these two buttons. And if we wanna set the cabinets, then we can just drag this model into the room. And we have kitchen cabinet, wardrobe, vanity, and wooden door. For different products, then we can choose the one we want. And if we wanna change the door panel material, then we can just click the door panel, and then click this material button. In this library, choose the material we need. That will be okay. Here, for example. And if we wanna add the appliance, then we can just click here, and then right-click, replace. Here, we can choose the dishwashers that we need, and the software will adjust the size automatically. If we need some furniture, then we can search them in this public library. For example, if we need this bed, then we can just drag it into this room. That will be okay. And if we wanna adjust the lights in rendering, then we can just click it. And at the right side, there's the parameter table. In this table, we can adjust the size we need. And we can also drag it to move it. Rendering is very easy, just click this button, that will be okay. In CAXA, if we wanna make a rendering for a whole house design, then we need 1 day, but in 3D Max, then we need a week. And this is the final rendering of this design. And if we need the quotation and the 2D drawing, then we can click quote here, and then the CAXA will quote it automatically and will show it in this website. And we can also download the quote table. And if we wanna output the 2D drawings of this cabinet, then we can just click L. Then we can output it. It's very easy.
Providing an all-in-one solution, CAXA integrates design, rendering, quotations, and production to maximize profit margins.